Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're in the E36. I know it's been a while, but we're headed over to Afterhours Drift Shop, or Afterhours Motorsports. Check out the first round of FD at Long Beach, and maybe I'll show off the new wrap a little bit on the car and talk about what we've done. But drive the race car on the street. Alright, so that concludes a little quick day at the shop working on the E36. I got the Amazon steering knuckles mounted as a temporary solution until I get an SLR kit, and looks like it adds a little more angle. I definitely need to get some different inner tie rods so I can adjust my toe right now, because Max towed all the way in, the car's still towed out. But headed back down to the print shop, and we're printing out my first full designed vinyl wrap we're doing on my coworker's car, and I'm gonna leave it a little surprise until we're finished, but I'll probably shoot some time lapse and stuff tomorrow. But yeah, so E36 is now 2 weeks out until the Chelsea Denofa driving school, so you'll have to stay tuned and check that out. And I gotta drive now, so we'll see you later.